Ali na kami guys sa venue. Tingnan na kami room. Maram ka mo kung sinong nakita namin? Si RC. Si RC Munoz. Ang sexy! Ako pa yun! Saka si Binibining Joyce Bernal. Say hi! Hari kami mga extra. ABS-CBN reporter. Hello guys! Ano na kami na meet and greet as of live in Honolulu. Buli kami hit meet and greet. Ari kami pinakalasit light. Ito yung kasama ko, si G. Nakita na namin sila Piolo, sila Daniel. Pero papasok kami doon para ma-meet silang lahat. So tingnan nyo naman, ang dami-daming tao. Box off. Nangyayari kanina, Marriott Hotel. So, nagkakagulo na po dito sa Marriott Hotel. Casey, hello! Hi!
Thank you po. Thank you. Sorry, pasensya.
Si Ginger, guys. Hi, Ginger! Video!
That's video. Hi.
Hello po! Hi! Moira!
And I had no idea what it was in because I was just joking around with my friends, and they looked at me, and then I saw all these cameras like, and they're like, it's them. I was like, oh my gosh, I had no idea. They just looked at me like I was crazy.
And did they say hi to you?
No, they were like,
You saw the celebrities?
yeah.
Oh my God, nakita nila yung Asap Stars. Hindi nila alam yung nangyayari. It's crazy. Ang daming tao dito.
What's the famous girl's name?
Bella Padilla.
I saw her and I was like, she's really famous. I was like, I don't know who she is.
Wow! Sikat ang Pinoy dito.